David, thanks. House lawmakers passed legislation changing the rules when it comes to the director of the state health department, specifically broadening who can be appointed to that post. Our Capitol reporter, Gus McDonald, following the bill and joins us now live from the state capitol with the developments. Augusta.
Carl, Senate Bill 709 effectively broadens the pool of applicants that can be appointed to the health commissioner's role by requiring anyone with a master's degree to qualify.
If you have an additional person who may be very well qualified to run the agency and they don't have the right letters behind their name, then you may be potentially missing out on a good candidate.
Current requirements ask that candidates have at least a master's of science. The Oklahoma State Medical Association supports the bill. In a statement, OSMA President David Holden says while this bill makes some updates to the qualification requirements for the Commissioner of Health, it creates a new Chief Medical Officer position to provide medical guidance and expertise to the commissioner and OSDH leadership. Lawmakers across the aisle say the bill is incomplete, even with an additional requirement that candidates must have agency leadership experience.
No longer do I have to have somebody who has a background in medicine, a doctor or an epidemiologist or somebody. They can now, by virtue of being the leader of some small agency, step into the role as the person making the decisions for the medical outcomes for the people of Oklahoma.
Representative Fugate is concerned this change is part of a longer trend of removing qualified physicians and doctors from oversight of the State Department of Health. In a statement, OSDH spokespeople say OSDH maintains a chief medical officer to ensure medical expertise is always integrated into the leadership team. If passed, this bill would make certain that continues. The bill passed out of the House today, 68-20, and is now headed to the governor's desk for consideration. At the Capitol, I'm Oklahoma's own Augusta McDonald.
Augusta.